Good day everyone. In this video, I'll teach you how to craft details within your figure. Now that we are done with thickening the outlines of the figure, we'll begin to start crafting some Keith Haring-like figures within our bigger figure over here. So, as a start, you might want to have on hand a couple of image references of Keith Haring's iconic pictures. So some examples of this can be found on your Mass Comm class page. Down on the right hand side in the links tile, you will be able to find 3 videos of Keith Haring's works inside there. You can also Google out some images of Keith Haring's iconic figures, be it the dancing man or the crawling baby or the barking dog, so on and so forth. To craft the figures over here, we can always start with our stick figure method. So drawing the pose of the figure before we actually draw a shape around that. Just like what we have done in the enlargement of our figure, we can do the same for the details within as well. You can rotate your page as you draw the other figures. Draw that stick figure. Right after that, draw a shape around that stick figure. Details within the figure should be small, in contrast to the bigger figure that's on the outside over there. So thereabouts this size would be perfect. Right, you can rotate your page once more and you can draw another figure from there. So at the start, draw figures that are littered all around the space. Right after that, we will add on a few more figures to create that overlapping effect. Rotate your page and draw the next figure. You can always draw the same pose, that's fine, as long as you keep rotating your page. That will create a difference in your figures. After a couple of details, as you get the hang of using stick figures and shapes to draw your figures, you can always start off with just the shape alone if you're confident enough. Fill the entire figure with small little patterns that relate to Keith Haring's iconic figures. Once done with spacing out all your iconic figures over here, we'll begin to create that overlapping effect by drawing a couple of figures behind our existing figures from there. So the entire body does not appear, just only parts of it. So you can rotate the page. And there you have it, overlapping details crafted to the likes of Keith Haring's iconic designs.